Hello everyone, this is AkshobhyaEverything and today I'm going to show you the Pheonix app module. Now we are going to show Pheonix app API to show you that the module is not here. As you can see, it shows it. It says that it's not here. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is install it from PyPy or PYPI. That's what everyone calls it. And this is the first ever Pheonix app API module. Okay, first ever Pheonix app module. Whatever, let's do pip install Pheonix app API. Sorry, there. Also, I'm gonna add the upgrade sign just in case. So I get the latest version, as you can see here. Here, as you can see, 0.0.5 to the latest version, and let's call it screen here. Now I'm gonna import it. Of course, I'm running this in Python interpreter, or what do you call it? What do you call Python interpreter only? So I'm running it here. Sorry there. Now I'm gonna import main API here. Once that is, this is the main step. Okay, first you have to do is set a variable and do it main dot phoenix app api dot initialize. We're gonna keep everything off, but if you want to log in and do it, you can read the readme to understand how to do that stuff. It's present. Now we're gonna do is api dot set parent. This is the most important step of the entire way. This is how it happens. Okay, we need to set the parent, and why is this the important step? Because then it can work. Here I'm demonstrating you api encoder. Let's encode hello world. Okay, let's encode hello world. I'm gonna write it down here. Yeah, type as already defined, no need to do that. Dot encode. Let's encode it. Let's run this. Yes, here we go. Now just to prove this is a proper encoded, I'm gonna copy this. Now let's do the same thing again. I'm gonna change this to decode and stuff. Done. Now we are gonna switch the strings to, because there's a double quotation and it would result in error. Here, as you can see, it's hello world. This proves that the encoding is working just fine. Now let's do patf equals to api dot patf underscore api. I'm also gonna add underscore there just in case. Dot patf underscore api. Okay, this is the patf api, and here I'm just gonna put true for use file data. Okay, let's enter here. Now we're gonna do is patf underscore dot, and for the first thing we're not actually gonna do run, you know. Let's do check modules. Here, check modules, let's just update the m and c. Yes, now let's run it. Oh, sorry, it's together, I forgot. Yeah, now as you can see in the all mode it runs totally fine. Let's do list mode now. Let's give it a list. Let's say os. Now actually let's go with PyQt5, and then let's go with OS, then go with sys. And what else? Let's have some fun. Let's put Pheonix to app API there. Okay. Now if we run this thing, I'm also adding one more there, which is a little like less used, but it's still a module, Wikipedia. Now if we run this, it should do nothing at all. That means that it's run just perfectly fine. I have no issue. Now I'm gonna clear the screen. I'm gonna do it in Python. So let's use the dot run command for doing this. So let's do patf underscore dot run, and then let's put in the terminal, and then explanation mark and clear. Yes. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I forgot the dot there. Underscore dot. Yes, now it should work. Yes, let's go. It has perfectly identified the command. This command is made by Phoenix Studios, which means I was the lead developer for this module actually. Not the command, sorry, module. I'm the lead developer. Uh, I'm the only one that made the module, but I took help of many others. And you can find the module in my GitHub page, AkshobhyaEverything. Um, if you go there, then you can find the module. At the end of the video, I'll give you a link, and then you have to follow that link. Here I'm going to do is api.extra commands to run a terminal command. Okay, but I'm not actually going to run the terminal command. Why is that? Is the only reason for doing it is I forgot the command. Yes, I wanted to show you a fun fact, but I forgot the command. That's why I'm not going to run the command. I'm just going to show you how it's done. It's something like fact. It's like terminal explanation mark fact. I'm pretty sure that's the command, but I'm not going to run it and waste your time. Instead, let's just continue. And remember that I said at the end of the video? That was my bad. It's at the description. Don't try looking in the end of the video. You won't find it there. I can't put links in the end of the video. By the way, if you want, you can just check out our site. You can go on the links that are provided on my channel. Okay, if you see my channel, you'll find some links. Let's play a game here. Guess the number. I have run it using the run command, and let's go with Ultra Asian mode just to make it a little hard. So let's type Ultra Asian. Now guess the number. Let's go 76465. What about that? Or 7476467. Wrong. 03 wrong. You failed, miserable child. I'm not a failed, miserable child. The correct answer was 9973. 9979. Sorry. This is a very hard one. But now, instead of using part of run command as I showed you, let's just do a clear terminal underscore exclamation mark clear. I always forget that. Oh, right, dot. The interpreter is kind of weird. Doesn't show the errors really. Now let's do parif. Sorry, let's do minigames. Let's not use a run command here. Let's do minigame equals to API dot minigames. 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 And the G is capital, by the way. Again, many issues I've done. Now let's do is minigame dot guess the number. This is the exact same game. Okay, let's just do easy this time. Let's do 3, now 0, now 7. Oh, the correct answer was 7. It actually acts kind of funny at the end. This is the first time it actually have happened because when I was doing the testing, it didn't happen. Maybe this is just a small glitch. Don't. I'm not sure that this is an internal issue because at testing it did work properly. At the end, I answered the correct question. I answered the answer correctly, and it worked.